In 2035, I could step onto a street where the light is alive. Moss glowing like soft neon along the curb, trees outlining paths with a faint ocean blue shimmer, building facades breathing a gentle, natural glow. No harsh bulbs, no buzzing signs, just living light. It sounds like sci-fi, but the blueprint exists in nature. Fireflies, deep-sea jellyfish, fungi. Bioluminescence is chemistry that turns energy into photons with almost no heat. What if cities borrowed that trick? Here's the idea. Engineer safe, contained organisms, microalgae, bacteria, plants to glow on demand. Feed them with renewable inputs, daylight, plant sugars, gentle nutrient loops from urban waste streams. Then embed that living light into benches, bike lanes, and building skins. By 2035, I see 4 breakthroughs making this real. 1. Brighter, tunable genes. Glow that can shift from moonlit calm to festival vivid without harming the host. 2. Biosafe enclosures. Porous gels and thin films. Let organisms breathe and shine but never wander. 3. Smart control. Sensors that dim during starlight. Pulse for crossing signals. Rest at dawn. 4. Maintenance like gardening, not wiring. Swap a cartridge. Refresh nutrients. Harvest blooms of light. Why do this? Because lighting eats energy, and energy shapes the planet. Living light could cut peak loads, soften light pollution, and make nights friendlier to people and wildlife. Imagine safer, calmer streets that feel like parks instead of car parks. I won't pretend it's easy. We'll need strict biosafety, clear rules, and opt-out zones. Not every space should glow, and not all organisms belong in a city. But I think the path forward blends design with ecology, light as habitat, not just hardware. So picture this walk in